Good morning, curriculum team. I'm Karen Davison from Fusion Marin. I teach English, language arts. I get into health, life skills, wellness, etc. But really, I am a trained and credentialed high school English teacher. That's where my background is. And I'm super excited about these curriculum project opportunities. This is something I've been wanting to do for a really long time and throughout my career, which has been on and off over the years, but that would be a different video. Anyway, I would like to apply for all three of the projects. The first one, the new course and program development, I'm really excited about because it's kind of an offshoot of what I do every day in my classes. I'm specifically have a huge interest in writing and in preparing students for college writing. And I do that in all of my classes, regardless of who the student is. My goal is always to prepare them for what's coming next. I do have a background in teaching writing at the college level, so that gives me a lot of insight into what the colleges are looking for and really where the students need to be at that point. And I'd be really excited to be part of creating that program that really focuses on strengthening those writing skills for the college-bound student. And the novel reading intensive, I'm also super excited about. Again, kind of an offshoot of what I do, but just a great opportunity to work with students through a novel on really specific skills to reading, literary analysis, literary techniques, how to talk about a book, how to write about a book, how to use text to support what you're thinking in an unpressured, ungraded situation. And I do have a student kind of doing this summer, so I think that I could really build on the experience that I'm having with her in creating the curriculum. And the project too, the alignment project, I am interested in as well, specifically for English, as I have a lot of teaching experience and background. I feel like I can really look at the content-specific standards and really understand how to align that properly. And my familiarity in this content area and my experience, I think, gives me the right background to really take a step back and look at that. And the third project, the UC application, I love writing. I'm a really good writer. I'm super detail-oriented. And I think that, I could take my teaching background, my writing background, and kind of it all fits together for this one. And I just have that broad understanding of curriculum and course structure and what really is required in terms of the standards and the expectations. So anyway, those are my thoughts on the three projects. I'm super interested in all of them. I have no vacation plans this summer. I am planning to be here. I'd like to work as many hours as possible, so I'm wide open and really excited about this. As far as how I work best, I'm super flexible. I, am fine on my own. I'm great working with other people. I love to get feedback and I love to, kind of collaborate. And I'm also good at working on my own and due dates. I'm sort of type A, so there is no worry about keeping to due dates. And I think that kind of wraps up. I'm really excited to be considered for this. I'm just finishing my first school year at Fusion. I started back in August. I have a varied teaching experience, as you'll see from my resume, and Fusion has actually just given me an opportunity to fall in love with teaching again, and I'm so passionate about it, and I so love it, and I'm so excited about Fusion and really want to be part of moving it forward. So I'm more than happy to answer any questions or chat further about anything, and I really look forward to talking to both of you soon. Thank you. Have a great day.